Bible, let me just give you a quick example of what I do. It takes me longer to read a verse than probably anybody else. I'm going to pull out a random verse. Okay, everybody go to Psalms chapter 36, verse 5. Psalms chapter 36, verse 5. Somebody read that when you got it.
Thy mercy, O Yahweh, is in the heavens, and thy faithfulness reacheth unto the clouds.
Amen. Barakatah. Okay, watch this. I read it in English, and then I use this app, and every word that is underlined, I'm going to go in there and find out what that word means in Hebrew. So the first word is mercy. I'm going to go in, and I'm going to read it in Hebrew. It's chesed, okay? Kindness, beauty, goodness, kindness, faithfulness. I'm going to move to the next word. The next word is Yahweh's name. I know that one. So I'm going to move to the next one, which is heavens. I know that one is Shamayim, all right, or Shamayim, which means heavens. It literally translates in ancient Hebrew to that which is water. Because the word Mayim is water. The word Shamayim is heaven. So what's on the other side of the firmament? Water is on the other side of the firmament. Does that make sense? Okay, and now I'm going to go through to the next word, which is faithfulness. I hold my finger down on faithfulness. I go to Strong's. This word is amanah, amawana. And this means fidelity, security, firmness, steady, truly. Okay. And now I'm going to move to the last word, which is clouds. You guys seeing what I'm doing? I go to clouds. Cloud is pronounced shakak, a powder, by analogy, a thin vapor, by extension, the firmament. So sometimes when it's saying clouds, it doesn't mean clouds moving through the sky. It could actually be referring to the dome. When you start reading the Hebrew words for each line, you're going to start to remember the words. That's how you'll be able to use them in a sentence, but you'll also have a better understanding. Now watch, I'm going to show you one other very important thing. In that same verse, which is Psalms chapter 36, verse 5, I want you to hold your finger down again on the word mercy. Go to Strong's, scroll almost to the bottom. You're looking for the place where it says usage by word. Everybody see that? This is a list of all the other words in the Bible that mean the exact same thing as mercy. The Hebrew word that is used here can be translated as mercy, kindness, loving kindness, goodness. You see that? So as you're reading through the Bible, the word in the sentence might say kindness, but it's the same word that is used to explain mercy. So this is going to help you. This is the exact same thing as when I'm teaching you and I put the letters up there on the screen and I give you under this letter, it could mean any one of these words. That's exactly what this is, right? So if we look over here at this first letter, A, which is the ox head, it's a picture of the ox head, strength, leader, what's to say under that? At first, and authority. All of those things are all represented by that one letter. The same way that mercy also means kindness and loving kindness and goodness. That's how the Hebrew language works. Hopefully that answers the question. Let's move to the next one.